They said it was all about knowledge. And now I feel like I got most of it all.
They trying to get in. I locked this in because I don't trust them. Like, y'all remember in Nicaragua, right? I wanted to leave and then you know how that shit happened. So I locked the door here. He's trying to get in on this side. Megatron. What do you need, Tron? What do you need the computer room for? You can go in through the other way. I can unlock that door. Go over there. This has access to my room, so I prefer you go through the other door. Yeah, so go over there. I'll meet you over there. Right. So, yeah, you see Tron at the door, you know, doing his thing. You know, they like to send Tron because he's the biggest one. Nubian hit my phone chip. You know, Master True and Mama Sheba pretending, per usual. Over there pretending, per usual. There they go. Yeah. Now we about to talk. I'm about to close this door. Yeah, I'm locking this door. We about to talk, y'all. Hold up. No, move. Slide it underneath the door, please. No, this is dead serious. This ain't a fucking script. Sheba is low-key evil. We already knew that. Come on. Where's the chip? And then I'll slide it underneath the door. I'm not opening the door for you. Where's the chip? It's not there. I just checked. So, I'm not giving that to you until I have my stuff. I need my money. I need my phone chip. No, definitely not. Because the last time I opened the door for you, you refused to leave. I'm not doing that. So, Nu's at the door trying to get his passport. But he has my phone chip. He has my phone chip and my money. So so we're gonna talk about a couple things.
How you gonna play it? How you gonna play it?
Y'all remember? Yo,
How you gonna play it?
this shit is crazy.
How you gonna play it?
This shit is freaking
How
crazy.
you gonna play it? How 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 you gonna play it?
So,
How you gonna play it? How you gonna play it?
like I said, Nu has my phone chip. They have my money. They won't release my money. I asked Chief, so I asked Chief if he would release the money, you know, because they all listen to him. He's like, oh, I can read them. I'll put up the screenshots. I'll screenshot it and put it up so y'all can read it. Do not come in this room.
How you gonna play it? How you gonna play it? How you gonna play it? How you gonna play it?
So they're trying to get into the room. This shit is crazy. Yo, I don't even know where to fucking start. Like, I really don't.
We're not against rap. We're not against rappers. But we are against those thugs.
So I really don't know where to start. I feel really overwhelmed right now. I feel
How you gonna play it? How you gonna
feel over on this fuck right now. Because we live at the top of the fucking mountain. Yeah, it is scary. It is fucking scary. Because they literally have my money. He's not trying to release my money. I'm going to put the screenshots up after this about him saying, like, pretty much trying to say that he brought in money. Even though I have the transactions that the money came from my account, he just doesn't want to release the money. So, like in Palenque when I said I wanted to leave, he hid my phone. Now he hid my phone chip. The phone chip. I'm actually on his phone chip right now because his phone chip is in my phone. He took my phone chip and hid it. He won't give that back. I told them I want to leave. They're trying to ask me to stay a couple days, but I'm not willing to do that. I'm not willing to stay a couple days so I can wait for them to plan some shit out. Like, no, that's crazy. That's fucking crazy. Somebody asked why I went back. I went back because I don't want to be a single mother. I want my daughter to have her father in her life. But for this, no, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I'm not about to have my daughter in this. And then to have this type of father figure in her life, absolutely not. No, I'm okay. We'll be okay. This is like, yeah, I'm about to get out. Can you take me to the bottom of the hill? I'll slide the keys under the door so you can start the spaceship. I'll give you your passport when I have my money. All right, I'm going to give you that. So I need my money. I need my phone chip. Where did you put the phone chip? Because you know you hid it, so just be honest and tell me where the phone chip is. You don't know where you hid it. I said I wanted to leave. And I asked for some of my money. I didn't ask for all the money back because I know they need the money. So I asked for some of my money, and they're not releasing that. Chief is trying to say that he brought in money. He's trying to act like he's trying to create confusion around the money, but there's clear fucking transactions. There's clear transactions. It's a tattoo. It's not a bruise. It's a tattoo. They're outside the door plotting, per usual. Do you need something? What do you need? No, that's not, no. You're not about to come. I tried to give you your stuff before. Now I need you to give me my phone chip. Let me know where you hid the phone chip. I can grab the phone chip because it's in the room. Where did you hide my phone chip? Where? I just checked the wallet. I just took apart your fanny pack. It's not in there. Where is it? You know where you hid it. Why are you trying to look for it? What? No, I don't need you to grab it for me. I can grab it. I'm in the room. Where is it? My Nubian's at the door, not my husband. He's at the door. He's the one who hid my phone chip. Where is my phone chip? No, I don't need you to show me. Where is it? I'm not going to play that game with you. I did that before. I learned my lesson on that. You just told me what? No, Nu did nothing. And that's the problem.